And I don't pick her up, Till.
And when she's uncomfortable.
Yeah, she is. Is that better? Hey, Elkie. Give us a smile. Elkie.
I'll just smile for her.
That's great. Yeah, Elkie. Oh, she can't see much but the back of your head, Tilly. Hi. Yeah, hello. Hello. That's a girl.